Good afternoon, students. We are starting with English. This is chapter 1 again. This I'm doing it again just to revise it once again with you. That was the explanation part I did, but today I'm starting with the reading part. So, how can this video help you out while you're at home? I will read one line, I will give a gap in between, and then the gap which is I'm giving after every line, in that particular gap you have to repeat the same words which I'm speaking at your home. So this is for you to know how to read. So what will you do? Open the PDF of chapter 1, class 3rd. Open the PDF of chapter 1 again, I'm telling you. Open it up and then put the finger on the PDF itself. The word which I'm reading, you have to put the finger on it. Along with me, you have to read it. When I'm done with one line, you have to repeat it after me. I will give a gap in between two lines, and the gap which is being given is for you so that you can read it after me. So I think you have understood how I am doing this class right now. You have to repeat the line after me. That means this is how you will know how to read the chapter. So this is chapter 1. Open up the PDF, put the finger on the book. Now I'm starting. I'll give the gap for you so that you can read it after me at home itself. Now, Anu, mommy, please can I read another story book? Mommy, oh, you never read the chapters in your textbooks. You should read them too. Now go to sleep. You have to go to school tomorrow. Anu, oh, I hate my school books. They are so boring. Anu made a face and pulled the blanket over her head. Mother switched off the lights of Anu's bedroom. Anu saw a book hurrying down the road. Anu, strange. Books don't walk. I will go and talk to that book. Hey, Mr. Book, Mr. Book, what is your name? Book 1. My name is Mr. Mathematics. Anu, that is a funny name. Book 1. It is because I am a mathematics textbook. Anu, oh, I don't like maths. Book 1. I know that. This is why Mr. Science, Miss Social Studies, Mrs. Hindi, and Mr. English have called me for a meeting. Anu, Really? What will you do? Book 1. Why should I tell you? You are not my friend. Anu, why should I be friendly with you? You are full of so many sums. There is addition to do. There are subtraction problems. I have to study so much. I like Mr. Storybook more than you. Book 1. I know that. That is why I have decided to run away. Anu, then I will not have to go to school anymore. Yippee! Book 1. Yes, you will never have to go to school again. You will not meet your classmates. Play pranks on your teachers. Enjoy sports in the playground. Anu, oh, I never thought of that. Book 1. Tata. Anu, hey, wait. I will come with you. Book 1. All right. Mrs. Hindi's house is right round that corner. Walk faster. I am already late. Scene 2. At Mrs. Hindi's house. Book 1. Mrs. Hindi. Open the door. I have come. I have brought a visitor with me. Book 2. Coming. Mr. Mathematics. Who is she? Book 1. Her name is. Book 2. Oh yes, of course. I recognize her. She is Anu. Anu, how do you know my name? Book 2. I know you because I also live in your house. Anu, you write in dirty handwriting on me. My dress cover is torn, but you are not bothered. Anu, oh. Book 3. Let us begin our meeting. All books? Yes. We have decided to run away from Anu's house. Book 4. Anu does not read me every day. Book 5. Anu scribbles on me. Book 3. Anu does not learn the spellings of difficult words in me. Book 2. Yes, yes. Let us leave her house. Anu, I did not know that you are so unhappy. If you go away, how will I become smart and intelligent like my mother and father? Books? Yes, that you will not become intelligent. Anu, how will I get an A plus in my report card? Books? That you will not. Anu, please don't go. I will love you like I love Mr. Storybook. All books? All right, all right. We also love you a lot. If you look after us and use us properly, we will love to stay with you. Anu, thank you, books. Mother, Anu, Anu, wake up. It is morning. You have to go to school. Anu, oh, was that a dream? What a strange dream. Mother, what happened? Anu, nothing, mother. Please help me cover all my school books. When I return from school today, I will need your help in doing my schoolwork too. Anu did not tell her mother about her dream. After that day, she started to study her school books. Her parents and teachers are very happy today. Now we are done with chapter reading. This is how you will read the chapter after me. The gap which I'm giving after every line, that gap you have to use. That means you have to speak after me. Like I have spoken, Mummy, please can I read another storybook? So later on, the gap which is given to you in the video, that is for you, so that you can stay at home, stay safe, but you can read the chapter along with me. The gap is for you to read after me. The exactly way the words which I'm speaking, you have to speak after me. So this is how you will read the chapter with me. Now we are learning word meanings. First one is bothered. Repeat after me. Take the trouble to do something. I will repeat it 5 times and then you will repeat 5 times after me only. Bothered. Take the trouble to do something. 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 Now, scribbles, write or draws carelessly. Writes or draws carelessly. Scribbles, write or draw carelessly. Scribbles, writes or draws 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 carelessly. Again repeat after me. Bothered. Take the trouble to do something. Bothered. Take the trouble to do something. Scribbles, writes or draws carelessly. Scribbles, writes or draws carelessly. Bothered. Take the trouble to do something. Bothered. Take the trouble to do something. Scribbles, writes or draws carelessly. Scribbles, writes or draws carelessly. Scribbles, writes or draws carelessly. Bothered. Take the trouble to do something. Bothered. Take the trouble to do something. Bothered. Take the trouble to do something. Scribbles, writes or draws carelessly. Scribbles, writes or draws carelessly. Scribbles, writes or draws carelessly. Bothered. take the trouble to do something. Bothered, take the trouble to do something. Scribbles, writes or draws carelessly. Bothered, take the trouble to do something. Scribbles, writes or draws carelessly. So class, we are done with reading also. I have repeated word meaning so many times so that you can repeat after me. You will not be needing any help from your parents. Open the video and start repeating after me. This is how you can read and learn after me. So this is the first chapter, only reading and word meaning I've done in this video. I'll go through with all the question answers also and exercises also. So this is how I will make you learn also with the help of the videos. So you have to repeat after me. You can repeat this video many times and repeat the word meaning and reading after me. So this will help you to read also, to learn how to read and to learn also word meanings. This chapter PDF is already available on the Snap Homework app. You can use it again. I will not upload the chapter again as it is already uploaded. I will upload only the video, but chapter I will not upload again, just because it is already uploaded when the explanation and word meaning exercise part was done. So you can get this video on the YouTube channel itself, and chapter it's already uploaded. So go through this video. This will help you to know how to read. You can repeat after me. I have given you the break after every line. That break or the gap which is given by me is for you to repeat after me, and I'm again and again repeating word meaning so that you repeat after me, repeat with me, and you will able to learn. You don't need any help from your parents in learning and reading, just because this is the easiest way I can find for you to learn how to read and how to learn. So this way you can learn also along with me, only with the help of this video, and you can read also along with me this ways. So thank you for this class.